We just arrived at David's Waterfall at En Gedi, so we've come all the way up the pass from the Dead Sea. Took a long climb, and up here at the head with the top of the escarpment, and the natural level of the land is up above here. So David came down from the top with his 600 men and found this oasis of water. There seems to be a bit of a track that goes up here that's been blocked off to the left, and then when I pan around to the right, there's actually a path. You can see that green foliage there. There's a thatches, and there seems to be a path cut through the rock up there that goes up onto the platform and right up onto the top. So you see it probably wasn't that difficult to actually get down here, although it seems impossible from where we're standing. So, but this is it. This is where David came. Obviously there's source of protection here, source of water here, and what a fabulous spot. Where we are today, it's about 40 degrees, extremely hot, but when we've come up here, the water's flowing, there's shade, there's a breeze, and it's really quite pleasant. So it's probably sort of down in the mid to high 20s, and significantly different, so very easy to understand why he would have come here.